Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope my penguin got back to you. I want to do this video about slime. Well, slime, there's many things you can do with it. If you put it in a jar, it will, well, make a fart sound. It's very funny. And if you want to make slime, I will leave it down in the comments below. You make slime by putting glue, one whole thing of Elmer's glue, school glue, and you squeeze it all in there. Then fill that bottle up with water, shake very well, and pour that in there. Stir it consistently. And then, if you want to add food coloring, add it right now. If you want to make it fluffy, you can add it at the end, and I'll tell you how to do that. So, then you get borax. Borax is for cleaning and makes your clothes soft. So, you add some of that, 1 teaspoon of it, and add some water from the glue thing. Only half of it, maybe just a little. Mix that well, and as you're mixing the glue with whatever coloring got in, if you want to add glitter, add glitter. If you use the same teaspoon, pour a little bit at a time as you mix it, and the way you know when it's done is everything will stick together. So I will show you my slime I made in the next video, and BT dubs on Minecraft. If you like it, leave it down in the comments. See ya.